Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you an updated way to share a channel link on WhatsApp. It's super simple, so let's get right to it. Okay, so first things first. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're already in the specific channel that you want to share. Now, at the top of your screen, you'll see the channel's name. Tap on it. This will take you to the channel info screen. Next, scroll down until you see the option that says Channel Link and tap on it. This is where you'll find the magic button to spread the word. A new menu pops up with a few options. You want to tap on Share Link. This will bring up your phone's sharing options. From the list of apps, find and tap on WhatsApp. This will open up your WhatsApp contacts. Now, simply choose the contact or the group you want to share the channel with. Tap on their name. You can select multiple contacts or groups if you want to share with more than one at a time. Once you've selected who you want to share with, tap the send button, and that's it. The channel link will be sent directly to the chat you chose. Your contact can now easily join the channel by clicking on the link. It's a great way to invite people to follow the channel and keep up with all the updates. So, that's how you share a channel link on WhatsApp. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.